Hi guys, this is Shruti here. Today's video is about how to lose weight super fast and super easily at home without the exercise. So today's video is going to be about the diet side of the weight loss. Today we are going to talk about the diet. Remember how you look and how your weight loss happens depends primarily upon your diet. Exercise does help, but diet plays a very important role when it comes to the weight loss. I will come to the do's and don'ts when it comes to the weight loss dieting, but before that you got to remember two things when it comes to the weight loss. The first is the diet plan. But the truth is, weight loss isn't about following a fixed meal plan. It is about making the correct food choices and learning the food science. In 2020, when we are all surrounded by the delicious food, desserts, and junk food all around you, if you want to lose weight successfully, you need to incorporate all these factors along with you. You can't follow a diet unless it is the one you enjoy, and that's actually the best for you. If you want to lose weight in a long term and stick to the plan, you need to have fun along the way. That's the only protocol I follow and promote on my channel. So your life have to be a balance of fitness with fun. Rule number 2 is the calorie theory. So your calories out need to be more than your calories in on the daily basis. Till the point you reach your target weight, you need to create a calorie deficit on daily basis. So the speed of the weight loss is dependent on the scale 1 to 5. So at one side, at number 1, it is a easier side where there is a gradual weight loss and where you don't need to make too many sacrifices and follow too many rules, and you end up losing around 0.5 kg per week, and it is a healthier way of losing weight. As you move on to level 5, leveling up at the end is a little difficult version of losing weight in terms of making sacrifices and following certain diet plans and certain rules, like ketogenic diet, which is a little difficult version of losing weight in terms of making sacrifices from your end. Now it's entirely your call which one you want to take. If you take up the level 5, the other levels and the rules are also followed up in the level 5. So now it's entirely your mindset whether you want to go for a rapid weight loss with making difficult choices and making sacrifices, or you want to go for an easy way which is a little slow but a steady weight loss. It's entirely your call. At level 1 comes the desserts. In the earliest part we are talking about the sugar. If you want to begin your weight loss journey, you need to cut off or minimize desserts from your system. Why? Because it has a lot of sugar and it causes the same reaction in your brain like the cocaine does. Secondly, it has a lot of bad carbohydrate, which is very bad for your system. And third, any desserts has a lot of fat added to it. There is a saying in the cooking world that fats adds the flavor, and when butter added to the desserts, that's what is the flavor, and that's what makes the desserts delicious, and that's what our taste buds enjoys and craves for. So these three addictive substances are what that makes the desserts delicious, and that's what our taste buds craves for. If you want to begin your weight loss journey, you need to minimize or cut off the desserts from your diet. At level 2, the second thing you need to cut down as an Indian is a vegetarian junk food. Now, why do I say vegetarian junk food and not non-vegetarian junk food? Is because at least from a non-vegetarian junk food, you are getting some amount of protein macros from some of those calories you are consuming.
If you're eating just vegetarian junk food, so that's everything from chakna, chivda or farsan that we bring home to your pav bhaji, to your sev puri, pani puri, to any vegetarian food dish you can think of is primarily the refined carbohydrates.
Simple carbohydrates along with the unhealthy fats. So if you are a vegetarian and you like eating outside, you need to keep in mind to eat a lot of paneer based dishes. You get at least protein along with the added fat which the restaurant uses, but it is still better than any other junk food. At level 3, if you want to take your game a little further, you need to eliminate sugar, junk food, and make better carbohydrate choices at home. So there are two types of carbohydrates. One is the good carbohydrate and one is the bad carbohydrate. A good carbohydrate is also called as a low GI carb or a complex carb, and a bad carbohydrate is called a simple carbohydrate and high GI carbs. So what makes a complex carbohydrate a better carbohydrate is it is very difficult for your body to digest it, and it makes you feel full for a longer period of time. Here is the list of all the simple and the complex carbohydrates. So now you got to replace the simple carbohydrates with the complex carbohydrates. Now let's take an example of the brown rice and the white rice. Suppose you love eating white rice. You will need a lot of white rice to make you feel fuller. In comparison to the complex carbs like the brown rice, which is the husk of the rice, it is very difficult for your body to digest and it has very fewer calories, and you will be fuller for a longer time, and that's how you end up eating fewer calories.
Now, if you replace all the simple carbohydrates, white bread, maida, white rice, potatoes with complex carbohydrates like brown rice, oats, sweet potatoes, whole wheat,
You will observe that you are feeling fuller and still eating a fewer calories, and most important, you will see a change in your body composition. Why? Because you are having fewer calories and feeling fuller for a longer time. So replace the simple carbohydrates with the complex carbohydrates. So if you follow these three levels, you will never put on the extra weight. Keep your cheat meals in check. When it comes down to eating unhealthy foods or cheat meals, it involves certain hacks. You can eat what you want and still lose weight if you are smart about it. Level 4 is the paleo diet. Paleo diet is also referred as the caveman diet. Paleo diet includes legumes and dals, but only in the Indian paleo diet. So paleo diet is basically a low carb diet where you exclude all the carb sources like wheat, rice, dal, potatoes. You only include fruits, vegetables and meat. Paleo diet is originated from US and they exclude dals and legumes as it has those little carbs inside it. But here we are talking about the Indian paleo diet. You will eat fruits for the breakfast, and for the dinner and the rest of the day you will eat vegetable except the carbohydrates. And here is the list. Moving on to the level 5, which is a ketogenic diet. Yes, we are talking about the ketogenic diet because it is that effective, contrary to what people have to say about it. But the people don't have a concrete argument to this, that it's not a healthy and a good diet. Ketogenic diet is a very low carb diet. The net carbs should not be more than 20 grams a day. Net carbs, even the carbs which comes from the vegetables. And that's the only carb source you will have for the entire day. Ketogenic diet is a life-changing diet. You will see a rapid weight loss and you will see an amazing results. But if you're someone who don't want to take up a low carb diet, level 6 is the intermittent fasting. So in this you have to fast for the 16 hours and eat for the 8 hours. Here I am not talking about the detail of the intermittent fasting. We will talk about it in my upcoming videos. Moving on to the level 7, which is combining the ketogenic diet with the intermittent fasting. The whole idea of combining these both together is to speed up your weight loss. Ketogenic diet helps you in lose weight fast, and so does the IF. Combining these both together is completely safe. And when you combine these both together, you get a super fast result, and that's a super fast weight loss. You end up losing around 5 kgs in a week if you follow the protocols and the rules of the ketogenic diet and IF. Remember guys, this is a very difficult process to carry out, but it's entirely your call. So guys, that's it for the today's video. Here are the level 7 of the weight loss which we spoke about in the today's weight loss topic. If you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. And follow my personal journey on my Instagram handle. So that's it guys from Flying Monk and Shruti. See you until next time. Bye.